Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Eklavya Technosys. In this video, you will learn about installation process of the OpenOffice.org. So last video, you learned and you aware the process of the downloading of OpenOffice.org. So after the downloading status will completed, you got the Apache OpenOffice software icons, exe file, executable file. See, right click on that executable files and click on run as administrator. Then the process under the process will perform. Actually on my laptop the administrator account's password will set. So that's why it will demand the password. So I will type the password of the user's account, that the administrator user account password. Now the message will come, welcome to OpenOffice 4.1.8 setup. Click on the next. The destination folder will selected, you are able to change it. Destination folder through the browse option, then click on the installs. The installation process will start. So now it will be the starts preparing to installation. Again click on the next. User's name will demand. User's name already it will taken Ashok Roshan. I will type the organization Eklavya Technosys. Then click on the next. Take the typical. All the typical, that means all the main components will be installed. And customs, then individually you choose which softwares you want to install. So typicals पे ही tick रहने देना है. Then click on the next. Then install. Now installation start. Installation status bar will progress bit by bit. And after that the installation process will complete. Thank you to all of you.